In this video I am going to show you how to factory reset the Acer laptop Windows 10. For resetting the Acer laptop, we have to enter the recovery mode. There is many options to enter recovery mode. First, press the power button. After 5 seconds, press Alt plus F10 keys, or F8 key. It will directly get to troubleshoot mode. Second option, we can log in on Windows, then restart the Windows once after pressing the Shift key. Hold the Shift key until the recovery mode open. Third option, if we don't have the password of Windows, from the login page itself we can restart the Windows after holding the Shift key. Keep the Shift key until it is showing recovery mode. Once we get the recovery mode, select the option Troubleshooting. Then press Reset this PC. Here you will get two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. Keep My Files means it will be the options to keep all user files in the system and just reset the Windows only. The second option, Remove Everything, means everything will remove including user files. This will be like a fresh laptop. Here I am using Remove Everything. Again we will get the option, just removing files and full clean the drive. The first option, just removing without reset, this case user data will lose, Windows settings will remain same. Full clean the drive means it will reset full, including files and operating systems. I am selecting second option. The resetting will take time. Here I am doing fast forwarding all the steps. As part of full resetting the PC, it will start to install device drive. Once after finishing the resetting, we need enter the new details. Here, select the country and language, then keyboard layout and time zone. Accept the terms. Connecting internet option, you can skip. This step, you need to enter the username, password, and enter password hint. Then press Next. Acer update details, this step we can skip. Once after loading, it will be new Windows. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share, and subscribe.